Hello there, thanks for tuning to my channel. My name is Sherudin. In this video, I would love to show you how to create a logical test that is based on a number of different fields of variables as opposed to a single variable. Let me reframe that so you can understand better. When you come to this column K, I would love to populate this column with text value based on conditions happening in column I and column H. This is what different fields or variables. So to do that, we are going to be making use of the word if plus the and statements, but you need to include multiple logical tests that are based on a different criteria or variables to make use of the word if plus and statements. So in another cell here, this condition cell, we are going to be using if plus or statement to return different logical tests. But before we get started, if this is your first time on my channel and you love to be a Microsoft Excel Pro with straight to the point tutorials, consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell to know when I drop new content every Wednesdays and Sundays. So let's jump to Microsoft Excel and get started. Thank you. Hi there, welcome back from a short break. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So let's jump right to it. All I have to do is come to this column and type in if. I type equals if. So logical test that I was pressing and. So what I want to do is what I want if the content of this column, this I2, you can see all we have in this column is what no, yes, no, yes. So I want it to be if the content of I2 equals yes. Remember it is a test string, so I have to put it what in semicolon. If the content of I2 equals yes, I'll input a comma, and this is when this and statement comes into play, and the content of this H2 is greater than 0. Simple. So I'll put in a semicolon, a parenthesis rather, and I'll put in a comma. So what do I want the value to be if these two conditions are met? So all I want to return there is what? This is what I want to return, so it depends on what you want to return. I want to return snow. Then I'll put in a comma again. So value if false. So this time around I will nest another if and statement. If and statement again. So I will say if the content of I2 this time around equals no. I'll put in a comma, and content of H2 is greater than 0. Then I put in a parenthesis, and I put in a comma. So what will be my value? Value if 2 will now be what? This time I want to return a what? I want to return rain. So you can input anything you like as your value if 2. I'll put in a comma, and I'll put in a comma again. So value if false, since I don't have any other variables, since I only have two different variables, so my value if false. What I want if these two conditions are what are not true, what do I want to return? All I want to return is just what I want to return none. And I'll put in the parentheses. You can see they still red. I'll put another parenthesis to make it all black. Now it's come to enter. Like that, boom, you can see it just populates it all the way straight down for me. So to check if my what I want to input, my variables, my conditions are met, I just press this filter button. You can see I have snow, rain, none, and I also have an error here based on I have an error for my value since earlier on. So that's what to combine the if and statement together as what to return different logical tests based on two or more variables. Now let's try the if or statement. If plus the or conditional statement. So I'll come to this cell type equals if, instead of and this time I'll type or. Okay, now so I want to if this k2, if k2 equals snow, you know, we're playing with snow, I'll put in my comma, another logical test, k2, same k2 equals rain. I'll put in a parenthesis, then I'll put in a comma to value if these two conditions, if k2 equals snow or rain, value if2, what do I want to return if these two conditions are correct. I say we want to return wet. So you can put in anything you like, depends on your choice. Then I'll put in a comma to value if false if these two conditions are not true. So value if false will be what? Maybe what I want to return, I want to put a simple dry, and I put in a close parenthesis, and I click on to enter. You see, boom, it returns it for me, whether wet or what, wet or dry. You notice when we're using the or statement, the if and or statement, we only use a what? We only use a single column, what? But we use what? Two different variables that is in a single column. So it still works perfectly well like that for the if plus or statements. So guys, this is how to do it. If you want to return different logical tests, you want to return different variables rather based on what different logical tests, the if slash or if plus and if plus or statement is your best bet. So if you have any question about this, don't forget to hit me up in the comment section and I'll put clarification to it. If this tutorial was helpful, all you have to do is give it a thumbs up and let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so I'll be dropping new content every Wednesdays and Sundays. So bye bye, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in my next video.